Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix avatars not loading Roblox. To start, you need to go to your web browser. Here, search for roblox.com. After that, click to open the Roblox. Once you're in, click on Menu on your top left. Here you'll find the option of Avatar. Click to open it. Here you'll find different avatar characters for your profile. Click on your avatar to see if it shows any loading. If it doesn't load completely, go back and click on the settings icon. You'll find the option of logout. Click on it. Before logging out, make sure you know all of your Roblox login details. Click on the option of accept risk of losing account and log out. Once it is done, click on login on your top right. Again, log in to your Roblox account with your login details. Enter your email address and password. Then click on Login. Once you're in, head back to the option of Avatar. Now as you can see, your avatar has been fixed and it is now working properly. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.